Welcome. Today in front of me Meizu M5s, and I'll show you how to activate quick launch on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down with your finger to the accessibility. Now just scroll a little bit more down to the system section, and here you'll see the double press home button, and now just here switch the no response, for example, to launch the camera. And now here by double press to your home button you'll be able to activate your camera application. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.